For those of you na mahilig sa skincare at tutok na tutok sa pag-alaga ng skin pero fail naman pagdating sa lips, girl, bakit natin nakakalimutan? Our lips are part of our skin too and they actually need more love. Alam mo ba na walang sariling oil glands sa mga labi natin? That's why they dry out so fast. Kung hindi mo alagaan, expect mo na magiging choppy, mangingitim at may fine lines. So it's time to stop neglecting them. So I found this 1020 Pomegranate Natural Lip Balm. It has natural ingredients like shea butter, vitamin E of course, and pomegranate extract. Essentially, it helps hydrate our skin, heals the cracks, and helps brighten dark and discolored lips, lalo na yung mga two-tone lip. Actually, matagal ko nang ginagamit to. As you can see, paubos na siya. Pero in fairness, ang tagal din yung naubos ha. Kahit araw-araw ko siyang ginagamit, whether may ganap ako sa labas or tambay lang dito sa bahay, kaya sulit na sulit. The best part, it's for everyone. Men, women, students, or working girlies. Whether yun nasa aircon ka, maghapon, or exposed sa araw, this provides long-lasting protection. It's lightweight, hindi siya malagkit, and it gives a very subtle, healthy, rosy glow. If you're curious and want to try this, just click the link down below.